This is our 7th annual Books and Brews event. So every September, we pick a different book to focus on kids' literacy and education and mental health, and we put together a literacy kit. So we have the Rainbow Fish book this year, and then they put tissue paper, scissors, paper, glue, and then they create the Rainbow Fish together as a class. Early literacy is super important. If the kids are not exposed to books at a young age, they do not have the literacy accuracy to set them up for kindergarten. So this is going for preschoolers. We like to say 60 books before the age of 5 sets them up for success. If the person wants to get involved, they can go to our website, bc-unitedway.org, and click on volunteer. We have all of our volunteer options, plus all of our partner agencies' volunteer options. There's so many and so much good you can do for the community.